How to convert USDT to INR on Binance. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. So go ahead and open up your Binance application, and once you open it up, what you can do is simply tap on the home in the bottom left corner, and after tapping on home, you may go ahead and tap on your profile at the top left, open it up, and then after opening up, you will be finding some options on your screen. From the given option, scroll down and go to the option called settings. Tap on it, and after tapping on settings, here you should be finding currency USD. So just go ahead and tap on that, and after doing so, the section you may go ahead and type in the search bar, and then go ahead type in INR like this. And once you type in that, go ahead and select INR. Once you do that, your payment currency should also be changed into INR. And once that is done, home page, you'll be finding all of the currency in Indian rupees. So that is how you convert USD to INR on Binance. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.